Hey man, back in action. We're back in the action, boys. I gotta apologize real quick. I'm so sick today. I woke up at 8 a.m. just blowing chunks, and it's been like that all day. It's like 1 o'clock now. I had a different video planned for today. However, I'm feeling really bad. I don't want to go out and about because we were about to scam some people. I think we were gonna take another trip back to Plato's Closet because I haven't been there in a while and I feel like they won't recognize me. However, though, we're sick, as I said, but I couldn't let my boys hang. You know what I'm saying? Sickness is no excuse, no matter how much I'm puking. Bro, I think I just puked up Selena Gomez. You're a lie. You're a lie. You're like this much. A big handful of ass. Anyway, boys, so I thought today we would do one of these videos that you guys really seem to enjoy, which is really dope, because I actually just love chilling with y'all, which this series lets me do, which is going shopping online. Whenever I'm sick, I do the same thing. I go shopping for pussy. Except we can't do that on YouTube, so I guess we'll go visit StockX or something like that. I got $1,000 to spend today, and I really want to check out StockX and see how many sneakers we can buy with $1,000. We just got a paycheck from some sort of sponsorship that we did. I don't even remember what it was, but it's all Gucci. So let's go shopping. Without further ado, boys, I'm gonna probably take a couple bong rips because I'm feeling sick to my stomach. It kind of calms my stomach a little bit. I don't condone you guys doing that. I'm just being honest. So if I'm a little stoned in this video, that's why. But it's only for medicinal use, so I feel a little bit better. Bro, I'm already stoned. I just puked up Selena Gomez's ass. I don't even know what that means. Hey bro, but of course y'all know the name brand fams, real Sean. We're marketing the game, the greatest of all time, y'all. The goats, hit the notification button. I'm glad up here real quick, turn on the lights, which is my curtain. If you guys enjoy these videos of us just like chilling by the computer and shopping every once in a while, you guys let me know. They're longer videos, but I get to be real with y'all. I get to look like I'm a fucking tomato right now, bro. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, just let me know, because I like to talk to y'all and this lets me do it, and it lets me spend lots of money with reasoning. And now we're puke bucket equipped. I'm serious, I might puke a few times in this video, like I said, just like absolutely feeling horrendous, but I really want to chill with y'all, and I hate not putting out videos, so that's what we're doing today, brah. So give your boy a thumbs up for like being like super chill and like, hey man, I'll make a video even though I feel like I might die today and I don't have any vagina at all, which usually helps when you're sick. Just hit the thumbs up button, it'd be dope. So we're about to go live on this, man. We got $1,000 to spend, and no less, maybe a little more. Also, Jill, you left your hat over here if you're watching this video. Jill McKenzie, go follow her on Instagram. She's single, boys. Yeah, the name brand fam's real Sean. Hey boys, and we live. Welcome to the ultimate, yeah, we live. Welcome to the ultimate shopping experience. If you guys are just watching this video right now, make sure to watch all the way through because I'll be announcing one giveaway in this video of a pair of sneakers, alright, that we're gonna buy on StockX, so look out for that. Without further ado, okay, wrong tab. Who was on my computer? That wasn't me. I have a brother who looks exactly like me, which doesn't matter, but he is always searching that, and I do not condone that. Especially calling them midgets? Bad, disrespectful, and gross. Not gross, just bad. Disrespectful only. Anyway, StockX is right here. Let's see what we can find, man. It's gonna take all the bones in my dick to not buy some Supreme today. Maybe we will. Who am I kidding? But I really want to find some sneakers because I feel as though this channel's been lacking on 1, sneakers, 2, sneaker customs, and 3, sneaker sex, mostly with the dopest sneakers you'll ever find on StockX. You know, I really should have told them to sponsor this video for me because I think they would have. But hey, man, we balling out with our balls out today. Alright, so first off, this is how I search StockX, man. It's always most popular, and StockX always has amazing deals. Once again, I'm not promoting them, but I do promote them. I have promoted them before. That might have been where my money came from for this video, which would be ironic. No, I don't think so. Anyway, boy, I'm a stone, bro. I feel like a rock that's stoned. Anyway, man, so I always go most popular when I'm searching for shoes. First off, right off the bat, man, I really do want these. So these we are gonna purchase. $235! Oh, I think that's a good deal, man. I think that's a very good deal. That's amazing. All right, how we add this bitch to the cart? You know, man, we're just gonna keep tabs open. And whatever I buy, I will go through those tabs. I'm actually gonna purchase these because I want to do a lot more customs. Let's go down here again. You guys let me know if you're seeing any sneakers that we should get. But this is my brainstorming time to look at these shoes and see what I can do with them. You know what I mean? Like, hey, is a hole too small for my penis or is it too big for my penis? Which is never the case. Never ever wait, no, it's never the case with that small. I've got a small penis is what I'm trying to say in a lot more words. These motherfuckers, I didn't even know these are out yet. Oh, it's too much money. Shit. If anyone has a plug on these, because I really want them, We have crazy videos to come with those. I'm just waiting on it. These right here, man, these are real lit. I saw these, I think Tony was wearing them at SneakerCon. Yeah, I chill with the boys, somehow they like me, which is crazy. Tony was wearing these. I'm like, man, those look so fresh on you. Just cause you're you, man, just cause you're Tony, and if anyone else wore them, I think they'd be stupid looking. Cause they're a bad looking shoe. But the whole dread thing is really pulling it off, bro. What else we got here, man? We don't actually have any. I've never bought a pair of off-white sneakers, so I'm kind of looking at those. But if we have a grand limit, which is kind of the point for this video, because I want to see what we can get for a grand when you guys are kind of working with, I guess, pretty high budget. But hey, man, if y'all have a grand sitting around, you guys can see what you want to get. Anyway, I've been looking for the off-whites because we are getting these. Hey, these are sick! I didn't even know they were that cheap. You know what? Let's look for the black ones because I think the black ones are a little more fresh. We're talking about the Supreme Air Force One mids. I don't really have any customs that I could do with that, but I was thinking of like maybe cutting it apart, getting the like logos off of everything and just making something stupid with it. Just getting real dumb. These are hype. The hell is that? They're like a Yeezy, bro. Oh, suck a big one, man. That's exactly the Yeezy. Oh, that's crazy. How did they just get away with copying like that? It's Nike too. Oh, wow. It's like this shoe right here is what I'm trying to say. That's stupid. That's really dumb. Going down the line, man. If you guys have any actually customs that you want to see with any sneakers, I've got like no budget. Unless they're like $5 grand or something like that, I ain't destroying that. But at like $1 grand and under, give or take, we can do something with some shoes, bro. Because I really want to get back into the sneaker customs. There's just been no hype lately in terms of what I can create with the shoes that are coming out. Except for those clear ones that we saw. Those ones were hype. All right, so far we got 2 pairs of Yeezys. Right now we're at $450, $560. We're at like $700 bucks. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. 2 pairs? Bruh! All right, we gotta get a cheap pair in here somewhere. Go down. This is a perfect video because wow. Man, when I'm stoned, I'm gonna talk to myself to begin with, but this is great. Okay, I've always wanted one of these. These are so hype. I really wanna make a mask out of it, because I think this right here would make some cool ass looking teeth for the mask. But you guys haven't really been into those videos lately, so we might not. But regardless, I'm gonna do it actually, I think. So we're gonna cop those. Right now we're at like 850 bucks, bro. We might do some fine tuning for the purpose of this video. And the purpose of getting like good fucking cops with $1 grand. But right now, that's some stuff I really want. We might not do these hood rat ones right here. These hood rat ones are stupid. Like, I haven't seen them on feed, man, but I feel like you're gonna look like Bigfoot's like bitch with those on, because Bigfoot's way too tough to wear those. Bigfoot actually, fun fact, is known to only have sex with the hottest of girls. So if you wore those, you wouldn't be the good Bigfoot, you'd be the girl Bigfoot, which still could be hot. I wonder if girl Bigfoots have tits. And if they do they come in sizes? Or are they all just kind of like one size fits all? And what are their nipples like? And do they have regular vaginas? Are we talking regular vaginas on these Bigfoots? Or are we talking some weird stuff that we're really not aware of yet? Maybe it's like the vaginas we had like 3 years ago. Now this video is going to be demonetized. I should have known. Anyway, they could have vaginas that we had 3,000 years ago, because thinking that they haven't developed into humans yet, which I think is my theory, they could have some gnarly vaginas that could quite possibly be the tightest things we've ever seen. And we don't know that for sure, which is very intriguing. Bro, we looking for footprints, we should be looking for vagina scat. Anyway, we're back to it, man. I could rant on Bigfoot all day. Do you guys watch Joe Rogan podcast? It's the most beautiful thing in the world. It's a great podcast because they really go in depth with anatomy of Bigfoot. They don't, but they should. They should. That's why I should be on it. You know, if I was on Joe Rogan's podcast, one, I'd probably get kicked off for being too much of an idiot. Because I feel like I'd fight him. I feel like I'd fight him just for the clout. Just for the clout. I feel like I would love to be that guy that goes on. Sorry, we gotta pay attention to sneakers. Whoa! Alright, that's fine. We're still doing sneakers. I just like to talk to myself while I look for sneakers. So another way I do this, I go lowest ask. I always do that. I'm very thankful that they have that on their main page because it's just a good feature. So as we look for sneakers, and I keep talking to y'all, just keep looking at what we have here. I'm still actually paying attention, but I want to start a campaign Now that might seem insane because I'm name brand and I hardly even know what the definition of that is. Actually, I don't. But I want to start a campaign for funding that doesn't go to myself, but if we can raise enough money to hire Selena Gomez to either I'll fly to her or whatever, but I want to hire her for a video, I think that would be lit. And I think I need your money for it because, oh, these are really sick. I've been actually really wanting these. I haven't seen them in person. They look really dumb. That's a fucking little kid size, bro. Hey, it's like a little person size, dude. Oh man, if I had a little person friend, I think I would buy him tons of shoes because they're so much cheaper and they deserve sick shoes just like us. Because honestly, little people are, I'm just gonna stop, but they're great. They're freaking awesome. Anyway, my back to the campaign with Selena Gomez. I feel as though if I could buy her for a video and I pulled some moves, like pulled some big moves. We ain't talking though like, hey, I'm just talking to a random hot chick at the bar. I mean like, I'm talking to Selena Gomez moves, which I quite frankly probably do not have whatsoever. I think I could probably pull her. And I think I could probably become her boyfriend. Now a lot of you guys are probably like, oh, name brand, like you have a girlfriend? I do. But in this situation, I don't want to say cheating is in store, because cheating is never a thing, but I would just drop the bitch. I'm just joking, I'm just fucking with y'all. I wouldn't do that. I love my girlfriend. I just love Selena Gomez too, but not equally. Always treat your girl with utmost respect, and whenever making YouTube videos, don't talk about other girls as much as I do. See, we bought these before. We actually bought them on StockX, I think. They're so cheap. I'm actually gonna give those out. I was saying I might in the video, but I'm actually gonna give them out because I don't want them. They're so cheap. For you guys that are trying to rock something like kind of cool, like if you guys like, honestly, it might be a little loud, but like say you had the Supreme like American flag box logo, which is a lot of money. This matches it. You know what I mean? I think that'd be too much, too flashy, but it's like a cool matcher. And for that, like we'll purchase it, I think. Because right now we have like 4 hype sneakers, except for these, they're not too hype. What am I doing right now? But we have these, we have these, we have these, and we have these. I think that's almost at $1,000 actually. Let's see, so that's 450, 230, 4, 5, 6, that's 700 plus 8, 9, so that's 9, like 60 plus 60. Yo, right there is $1,000, which is crazy. Here, 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 and here. Okay, back, not the midgets. Not, I don't call them midgets because that wasn't me that searched that. And I hate, I'm just gonna close that right now. I hate when people prank me. When you're on my computer, don't leave stupid things on my tab when you know I'm gonna be filming a video. Because that makes me look bad, gross, and uncivilized, uncircumcised, and also that I got a weird fetish. That makes me look weird. However, you're not weird if you like small people. I'll just stop. There's a lot more cool things. These Timberlands are kind of sick. I'd never wear Timbs. Even though I think I'm black from the waist up, I don't think I could pull them off because the waist down is lacking. You know what I mean? I'm more of like a Jackie Chan from the waist down. No racial thing. I just think because he's Asian, and I think I should have been born Asian with the amount of shaft that God shafted me with, if you want to put it that way. Yeah, definitely got shafted down there. And it's not pretty. Okay, these are weird, man. What the hell is that? Bruh. You know, if the customs were popping like they used to, I would just cut off that sock, like just for an Instagram video, but nobody wants to see that. Those are ugly shoes. They're weird. I want a sock on my shoe, bro. I don't want a sock on my shoe. I wear those already. I think I might have to puke again, which sucks. I might be right back. What else we got, man? We got $1,000. I think that's pretty good. I want to find one more kick to go over a little bit, but I hope you guys are enjoying this. I got a lot of stories, man. I got a lot of thoughts in my head that need to come out to the public, especially the Bigfoot thoughts. I really think if I could capture and own one, it would be good. We would, because I don't think it'd be prostitution if you're selling a Bigfoot, but it would be morally wrong. Actually, so I don't think I could do that. I really do respect Bigfoots, and I feel as though their body parts are just as sacred as ours, if not more. And they should definitely not be taken advantage of. Firm believer in that. You know what, let's go up. This might be very annoying for you guys to watch. I've just been looking at kicks and talking, but I haven't really been picking any. Alright, let's pick one more. I really want the gold Jordans. I know Ray bought those like an idiot. Love you, bro. but you were stupid for this one. He bought, I'm gonna find them right now. He bought them for like, I think it was like $1,000, maybe more. You guys probably know. These kicks I'm talking about, they should be down here somewhere. Are right here. He bought them really early or something, or like they had released very like limited, and then they released a lot to the public. And he was like, oh, I love how they do this. That's so sick. And he was like, F me, man. Like, what are they going for now? Yeah, they're going for $1.89. When this idiot paid $1,000 for them, bro. Love you again, Ray Ray. Yeah, they were at $4.21 at one point. You know, we might want to cop those. I don't really wear ones as much, and I really don't like the flashiness of those. I actually do have a shoe, opinions on shoes, as much as you guys might not think that. I do actually dig sneakers, just not as much as a lot of these other yahoos that are doing YouTube videos, which is also not a shot. If anything, I'm just an idiot. I'm just retarded. They're just a bunch of yahoos, which is better. So I'm not shooting shots in it. Okay, fuck it. No, we gotta get this. This is the last sneaker. We gotta get it, which means we gotta drop these hood rats. These are just disgusting. We'll drop those. This I have so many customs for. It's unreal. They already made the tie-dye ones, which really pissed me off because I did that shit first. Don't even give me credits. I'm saying, even though Brandon, you're the mastermind that probably got really stoned in order to think about this, we're not gonna give you credits because you look like a dick, which I do not disagree with. I really, really don't. Anyway, 400. We're just gonna take that out. You guys know it's just like an option. Like you can get stuff for very cheap on here, and it looks kind of cool. I'm not a huge fan of the model. For 60 bucks, it ain't that bad. So we got 400 there. We got another 260 here to make a dope mask. I don't know what else I could do with it. I guess I could make slides out of it, but been there, done that. So that's 660 plus 450. 660, 450, that's like what? 1,405. 1,415. Something like that. What do you know what? I'm definitely gonna cop these, but I'm gonna leave it to the next video where we actually show it off to see what we actually copped. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. I'm really, really sick, as I said. I just had to sit down, bang out a video, because I really wanted to talk to y'all, but I feel so sick. We'll have a better edited video in the future, definitely tomorrow, hopefully, if I'm feeling better. But I couldn't leave y'all hanging. And of course, I said a giveaway. We're gonna give away one pair of sneakers. It's not gonna be one of these are very pricey. But I'll find a pair of sneakers that I'm gonna put in the checkout with all this stuff, and I will give one of you guys that. So if you wanna win it, give a big thumbs up down below. Leave a comment down below. Hit the notification button. If y'all want, follow me on Instagram, which is right there. And we party on there, bro. Seriously, I take y'all out partying all the time. So if y'all are like underage, y'all want to see what it's like to like drink like an idiot, I guess it's the place to go. It's probably the place to go. I appreciate y'all for watching. My name, Brad Founds, real Sean Merck in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Good luck on the giveaway. Thank you guys for putting up with this video. Blah. Bigfoot pussy.